Hey guys, today we're going to run on buying Instagram followers and if it is worth it. And we're going to start by typing the eBay on our search bar or searching for eBay. We're going to head on over to its website. From there, we're going to tap on, let's say, for example, TikTok followers as our example today. From here, as you can see, we can actually increase our followers just by using 4.8 to 8.84. So let's say it's this one. And for this example, you're going to try by buying it. After you've bought it, you're going to have to give them a confirmation that you did receive the followers. And once after that, you're going to receive followers on your TikTok account. Now, for this type of workaround, I do not advise people to actually go ahead and buy followers since you might buy them and it may sound suspicious since you may have, let's say, for example, 10K followers on your TikTok account and only 20 people are viewing it, or there is not much activity going on your posts. Like, we do actually expect that if you have a lot of followers, we will expect you to actually have a lot of likes, a lot of people who are actually engaging on your TikTok account. So to put it all in simple terms, I do not actually advise people to actually buy TikTok followers. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.